Hey there, agency owners. You've just landed in the sweet spot. I'm excited to walk you through our game-changing white label solution that's about to revolutionize your client services. What makes us stand out? We're handing you the keys to our enterprise-level SEO platform. That's not just a tool, it's your ticket to becoming the go-to industry leader. Let's break it down. You get white label magic. Imagine your own branded dashboard URL. That's right. Every link that you share will scream your brand, and it gets better. You can slap your logo on the dashboard and watch your clients' jaws drop. It's not just pretty, it's a full arsenal of SEO weapons at your fingertips. Plus, it's a powerful sales tool. Imagine walking into client meetings with a platform that looks custom built for you. You'll be closing deals faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. You'll also get a report builder. Say goodbye to your team's reporting nightmares. Our custom reports don't just show data, they tell your success story. And with AI-powered summaries, you're not just reporting, you're storytelling. Looker Studio who? You also have a lead magnet on steroids. You can convert 50% or more of your site's traffic into leads. Wake up. Our Site Analyzer widget makes it a reality. It's an interactive journey through your potential client's web presence that'll have them clicking book now faster than you can say search engine optimization. Speaking of making money, our affiliate program is the talk of the SEO town. It's not just good, it's best in the business good. Are you tired of client churn? Well then meet OTTO, your new best friend. This AI powerhouse saves you hundreds of hours and delivers results at lightning speed. Just one click and OTTO's on the job, handling everything from technicals to content. It's like hiring a whole team of SEO ninjas. But here's the kicker. OTTO turns you into a one-person agency powerhouse. You'll be an army of one, like a Swiss Army knife with a PhD in digital marketing. Imagine being the Hulk of SEO, but without the anger issues and wardrobe malfunctions. That's you with OTTO. Are you ready to catapult your agency to the stratosphere? The Search Atlas white label solution is your launchpad. Don't just keep up with the competition, leave them in the dust. The future of agency SEO is here. Are you in?